Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a YouTube banner. So please like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It's free, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Then you'll be always notified when I get a new video. And yeah guys, we're gonna need one app or two apps, you can say, one app, and it's called Over. You can see it right here. So yeah, let's just go inside. Okay, so first it looks like this here. Okay, so we just go on this black plus. No, it's white. Yeah. And then you swipe here down to, and then here the first YouTube icon, you can see it, and then it has to be 2560, and then to 1440. So this is how it's gonna look like. So you just go on this OK sign, and then it looks like this. So guys, and then you need to go to your image. So I've already done that, and then you can take so you can right now you can do a screenshot of this, or because I got this from a YouTuber, this picture. So yeah, so you can just make a screenshot or something like that. And yeah, so now we're gonna go again to image, and then we go to Unsplash or Pixabay, or you can also take maybe from Google or something like that another picture. So I'm gonna be going, like, as you can see, my banner is right now. I'm gonna be doing my banner just like it is right now. So yeah, so we're gonna just put aesthetic flower. Okay, so then we search it, and then you can choose here. They have very much here. So I'm just gonna be going with picture diaries. So, and then we just like a little bit make it like this, like we're gonna make it bigger and adjust it, and then how we want it. And then we swipe here down, and then we go to opacity, and then we just go here down until they can see like the text. So you can also like move it. Okay, so let me just try how I can do it. I think like that's okay. So yeah, until you can see the text. So like this part in the middle is just the part where you can see it on computer or your mobile or anything. So, and then you go here on OK sign again, and then so now I have it like this, and then we go to text here down. And then, so first you can like choose any like text you want. So let me just go with this one, hello beautiful. And then I just write Shauna's Val because that's my YouTube name. So you can put your YouTube name. And then you click on the OK sign again, and then you can just make it as big as you want. And here you can also take the style and the color. Yeah, so I'm just going to go with white. So, and then you can adjust it the way you want. And then you go OK and on OK again. So you can like make it anyhow you like. So you can also make you have to put your own YouTube channel name, or you can also make it like another way. So I'm just gonna go now to text again, because now I'm gonna write what my so first I need to take a text. So I'm just gonna write what my channel is all about. So lifestyle, beauty, and family. So I'm just gonna take this, and then lifestyle, and then this here, and then beauty and family. Good. OK sign again. And then we can make it as small as we want. Okay, let me just try and make like this. Yeah, guys. So, and you can just make anything you want with it. You can also make like this, your name, or you can even write something else. Like if your YouTube niche is like maybe like dancing or something like that, you can also put dancing. Or yeah, I'm just showing you how to like make it, how to make it like when you want to type your name or something like that. That's what I'm doing today. So I think like this is okay for me. I'm just gonna go with a white, and then we press on OK. And then so now this thing might be disturbing, this gray thing. So then you go here up on this, I don't know what to call it, is it like books? I don't know. So then this will pop up, and then you just go here and the delete sign by this one, so you can just swipe left and then it's gone, and then you go back, and then you can see it like this right now. So but we don't want this background, so we're gonna go now back here and this one, and then we make it very up to 100%, but it need to be on opacity, and then we go on OK. And yeah, guys, so this is how it looks now, but the flowers are like more sharper than the text. So we go here again, and I press here in a flower picture again, and then you can go to blur. So I'm just gonna blur it a little bit like this, so you can see the Shauna's Welt. And then you go here and OK again. So yeah, actually it's very simple if you understand it. So, and you can also like add Instagram or Facebook or TikTok sign or what you want. But it needs to be here where the Shauna's Welt is. Because if not, the other places they can't see. So, and yeah, then you can maybe add something else if you want. Like if you want to now put like the emoji or something like that, you can just go on text and then add the emoji you want or something else. I don't know what you want to do with it. So, and then we go here on the upload sign, and then first we go here and on export settings, and then PNG. I do not know what it is, but yeah, JPEG is the best. And then best, yeah, that's how you should do it. And then we can just press on save. Okay, so we've saved it. And so yeah, guys, now we can go maybe to PixArt if you want, and then add something you like on it, like maybe some hearts or something like that, anything you want. So but I'm just not gonna do that. I just want it like very simple. So now I'm gonna be showing you how to upload the banner. So first you go to, I don't know if you have an iPhone or Android, yeah. So you can just go to Chrome or Safari, and then you go here on search, and you make YouTube. Okay, so and then you're gonna just and then you're gonna go on this 3 dots, and then on desktop side, and then it'll be like this, like a computer. That's how it should be. And then you press on and then you can go to search, and you can search your YouTube name. So I'm just gonna put Shauna's Welt, okay? So, and then we're gonna look for it here. So as you can see, my banner is already there because I've already done it. And then you can also zoom in, actually, that's really nice. And then you we press on customize channel, and yeah, it's loading. Okay, so actually sometimes there will be like YouTube Studio, and then you can also, if that should pop up, the YouTube Studio sign, you can just press on continue with YouTube Studio or something like that. And yeah, so then we zoom in, and then branding. Okay, hi, my picture is there, and then you just here in the middle where you can see already the banner, you press on to change. Okay, why is this not locked? Okay, good. And then you can take anything you want from your camera. So you're gonna go to browse, and then here you can see right now all the the banner you want. And then okay, you zoom out, and this is how you're gonna see it. So that's how you're gonna see it. And then you can just press on OK, so finish. But I'm gonna put on go away because I already have it. And I can check on the normal YouTube if the banner is really there, and if not, you can do that all again. So as you can see, it's already there. And yeah, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I could help you. And if yes, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it's free, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, then you'll be always notified when I get a new video. And yeah, guys, I love you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys, love you so much. Bye.